Alrighty, it's the Divine family back at it.
Miss Morningstar.
Mr. Divine Star. And we are about to cook some steaks today with quesadillas, steak quesadillas.
With bell peppers, he's getting pico, and then, yeah, I'm just putting bell peppers in mine. But we got this one, two.
Cooking up 2 steaks. Let's do one at a time. So first we're gonna put it in the pan with the butter.
And while it's heating up, I'm gonna season it in there because no dishes. We don't like that.
You don't like dishes.
Just a little bit so the seasonings stick for now. Okay. Lots of pepper because Blueberry likes pepper. Okay. Got garlic. Boom, boom, boom. Then we're gonna put just a little bit of paprika, just a little bit, just to add more flavor. I'll put a little bit of oregano because that shit was good on the chicken.
That shit was.
Still works. Ooh.
That'll be enough.
Alright.
We have our steak seasoning.
This is what makes it good. Look, a lot of that. Okay. Then we'll flip the bitch. We'll mix around the butter, so. Flip her. And then, other side.
Look at that.
Now we mix.
Yep, so we're going to just start cutting the bell peppers and all the other vegetables and stuff like that.
Ooh, you wouldn't want onion in your sauce. That kind of sounds good, like.
You can put some of yours.
No,
So,
whatever. Oh, I forgot sour cream.
you forgot what?
Sour cream. That's my favorite part. So we have to order some.
I can go get you some. Or we can send Boo Boo Bear. You wanna go?
You said no?
No? Okay. Boo Boo Bear don't wanna go for some reason.
I'll see if you want to try those. Then you want to cut the white part out. Flavorless.
All we want is flavor.
Exactly.
Boom.
These are the spicy ones, so that's why we get the red ones. Kind of move it around. Look at that.
Look at that.
Looking good. Oh, I almost forgot. Then you have to do create moist and flavorful.
The food porn.
And let it cook it.
Ooh, look at that. Uh-oh.
Whoa. Keep throwing it over.
Throw some more.
So yeah, it'll give it that, it'll give it that crispy pop. That's what I like. There's a bit of light on here. Does that help?
Not really.
See what it's looking like on every side. We'll let it cook longer, but I'm not sure. Yeah, we got some time, that's for sure.
Heck.
So we got the silk bottom, silk top, and submit the one first. Okay. Got the steak. Some Divine Star mother.
Mama Divine.
Alright, how we flip it.
Ooh.
turn heat down to the inside to cook. You like it when it's like that? I like it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. Not burnt, but just crispy.
All right, so we came back. She took a bite.
Look at it. Looking good. Not too bloody, hopefully for you.
All right, so we're gonna have to see how good this tastes.
All of it should
So good.
so good.
So good.
Okay, let's see when we cut it.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Or actually, let me show you these first. Okay. Don't come for my cutting skills.
Oh my.
Look at that. That's perfect. You see that, Kelly?
Gordon Ramsay done got shit on me, nigga. On us. On Sid.
On Sid. On the bed. Let's see.
Instead of like on gang or on my mom, it's on Sid.
I look at that. That looks
Ooh.
so good. I'm gonna put my sleeves up.
Like I said, let's get serious.
Yeah, I'm business right now. Alright. Look at how juicy it is. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
The demon's really coming out.
Yum, 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 yum.
Cut up small as quesadillas.
The quesadilla. Alright, so we got the steaks already cooked and everything, so we're about to start on the quesadillas. So what do we have here, Sydney?
Got the cheese. I have another bag over there. Bell peppers and your pico.
We have our tortillas. Then we have our steak cooked up somewhere.
In the microwave. Cheers. Gonna put a first layer and then our toppings. So let's see. Tell me when to stop, boo.
More over there than good.
Okay, perfect. I'd make this by myself, but we already had some. More cheese. So that it sticks. Okay, so then put that bitch onto the top. These are so big. And we let it melt.
Alright, and then once it's stuck together, so it won't fall out, you just flip it. And then you're basically
But it's okay.
basically done. Alright, y'all, so about to go and eat this stuff and everything. I'm about to get Sydney some sour cream and stuff like that, so we'll be back.
She's done. Let's cut her. A little bit more. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at that. That actually looks really good.
Oh my.
Look at that. Look at that.